Am I cute enough to be your boyfriend?
No.
Jesus Christ. Why?
Because you're too.
Yo, it's your boy Prince. Like I'm back in the place doing a new video. No, video of your part 2 of if you want video. Am I cute enough to be your boyfriend video? We did in town and everything, we did run up here. We have plan to give a tour right place, but no way, but still not gonna do it. But I had a part 2 of the video, there, you see me. When part about this time it's like in the town, not on my school. On the town, you know. So up off girls in the town and everything, I ask them and everything, but first time I do it in the town, I feel very cold, right? I know people may not lie. I mean, I say people exam free up my brain, stress me out, but you know, so still man, I feel have sparks now, I still make it through and everything, so I'm good now. Yeah, they are saying, you know. Cameraman, Dice, and me two thugs them down there, so. Two thugs them, yeah. You know, say Kyle and Ryan. Yo, Kyle! Yeah, Kyle Pro Gaming, Microwave TV, God, you know, so big up yourself, me to you, know, always there for me. Yeah, man, so let us begin. What's your name?
Ranique.
Alright, Ranique. The question for today, am I cute enough to be a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, why? That's not cute. Me understand. Very. What's your name?
Indira. Indira.
Indira.
Yes.
Alright. The question for today, am I cute enough to be a boyfriend?
Well, to be honest, I don't really go off for looks, I go for personality. But if I develop for looks, no.
Alright, the personality. Alright. That you know one really want to know about.
Alright.
Yeah, thanks. Ready? What's your name?
Daniela.
Caramel.
Name?
Shari.
Alright, sorry. The question for today, am I cute enough to be a boyfriend?
Yeah, can go on.
Ask you first. So my ex did like 50 times uglier than you, so nothing
50
wrong.
times what?
Uglier than. Yep. So nothing wrong. It's good. Love is out there, bro. Love is out there. Love is out there. Love is out there.
Gotta love these girls. Please say yes, please say yes, please say yes, please say yes.
Yeah, you're not ugly.
I don't want to see girl, she just pretty. Could you, man? And then the one just pretty, and then she with the dark skin now and she just yeah, boy. Lovely young lady. So I ask her a simple question. The question for today, am I cute enough to be your boyfriend?
No. No.
Me ugly?
Me not know.
I don't even know me ugly.
Don't ask you no more.
She can't answer me ugly. People don't think I'm not ugly. Comment in this What's your name?
Genevieve.
Alright, Jenny. The question for today, am I cute enough to be a boyfriend?
No.
Why?
Me not know.
I don't know.
You're alright.
Alright, but me not so cute to be a boyfriend.
You're not for cute. You just. Me not really know you so like.
You just look for personality.
Yeah. So me not gonna judge you for that.
Alright. Thanks for participating.
Ariel.
Alright. The question for today, am I cute enough to be a boyfriend?
No.
Ugly?
Yeah. No, you're not that ugly, no, but.
Hey!
No.
My God! What's your name?
Rinia.
You?
Shay.
Alright. Question for today, am I cute enough to be your boyfriend?
No.
Jesus Christ! Why?
Because you're too fat and you're not my type.
They ask you how you are, you just have to
Why?
say that
Because
you're
you're
fine.
too fat and
They're
you're not my
really
type.
fine.
You don't look like you have youth, I swear.
Jesus! You made it to the end of the video, no one video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, our newcomers, like, share and subscribe. And our outcomers, remember to comment and tell me how me do on the video and tell me how me can improve. And thumbs up, as if me G like how me talk just show. Thumbs up and remember to subscribe and turn on notification to see all I new video. People me not lie. The first time I do video down in the town and everything, I have to search for people and then say dog. It is hard, let me say hard. Over this, so me they all over the freaking place. I mean I search for people, but you still get to find some people who know me everything and want to video and everything and it go good. Yeah, someone for like, share and subscribe. I'm cameraman. Want me say thanks to my cameraman are good and stay by my side because the boy say he can't take a walk man down, you know, so I die, see cameraman here. You have an Instagram account, bro?
That is someone living there, man.
Alright, there's someone on it. Instagram, link him up. You see it?